Hello, this is a tutorial about how to set up a virtual background while you're in a Teams meeting with the district's new policy where they're asking students to be on camera pretty much the entire time they're with their teachers if possible. We want to make sure they understand that there is a way they can still maintain privacy by having a virtual background and only see them on screen. So let me show you how that works. When your child is in a Teams meeting, they should see three dots, either wherever they see their microphone toolbar. It could be at the top like mine, or it could be somewhere down in the middle. But wherever they see their microphone and their chat, they should see three dots. Now, if you don't see three dots, that probably means you're not using the downloaded Teams app. You're using the Clever or the web-based app, and the three dots may not be there. So if for some reason you don't see them, you might want to make sure you're downloading the actual Teams app first. But then once it's downloaded, you should see the three dots, and when you click on it, you'll come down. It should say Apply Background Effects. And then you have lots of choices of different backgrounds, whatever your child's interested in. And you just pick one, and you click Apply, and it will change immediately to the background on the screen for everybody to see. So their household is no longer behind them. There's different options depending on your child's interest or preference. And if they don't want it, they can just go back to the one that says none, and you can go right back to the basic one that they already had. So hopefully that's a good way for students to be able to maintain privacy, but also have their cameras on so they can interact with their teachers. Thank you.